So for this recipe you're going to need 300 grams of self-raising flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 3 teaspoons of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, 3 to 4 medium apples, 250 ml of almond milk or any plant-based milk, 50 grams of sugar, and 50 milliliters of a plain flavorless oil. Today I'm using vegetable oil, but you can also use sunflower oil. First of all, we're going to grease and flour a springform baking tin. So I've just got some spray oil here. Then you're going to need to flour it. Just put some flour in. Right, and that's that done. In a medium-sized bowl, add the milk, plant milk, the oil, and the sugar. And stir. Then you're going to sift in the dry ingredients. So we're going to put in the flour, baking powder, and the cinnamon. And then I didn't put the salt through the sieve because the salt grains are too big, because this is pink Himalayan salt, but you can use whichever salt you want. Stir that around, but don't over mix it because it will make the cake come out weird, gummy, kind of stretchy. So just enough until it's incorporated, like that. Just make sure there's no pockets of dry flour or dry mixture. Scrape down the sides as you go. Then we're now going to add the apples. So I've got 3 apples that I've chopped up finely. Just kind of fold that in. For this I've used, I think these are Pink Lady apples that I use. You can use any apple you like, but the apples are sweet, so that does help. Right, so I've folded in the apples, and now I'm going to place this into the greased baking tin. This is a really quick and easy recipe to make. Alright, so I'm just going to smooth that out. On the top now, I've sliced the apple into these slices. So put these all around, letting them touch slightly so that they overlap a bit, not completely, but just a bit. So we're going to do them in a nice fan shape. Just keep going all the way around. And then once you've gone all the way around, then just start going through the middle. So now we're going to sprinkle this with a little bit of sugar. Then we're going to pop it now into the oven on 180 degrees Celsius, 360 degrees Fahrenheit or gas mark 4 for 55 minutes to an hour, or until a skewer or toothpick placed in the middle comes out clean. Alright, it seems to be done now. To remove it from the oven. So now I'm going to check if it's done by placing see if it comes out clean. Yeah, it's slightly, it doesn't come out completely clean. So what I'm going to do now is spray a little bit of water on the top so that the apple doesn't burn, and then pop it back into the oven for a couple more minutes. Right, so we're going to pop that back in for 5 minutes. So it's been in the oven for another 5 minutes, so let's just check it now to make sure it's cooked all the way through. Alright, yeah, it's coming out clean. So we'll let that cool and then we'll cut a slice. Thank you for watching all the way to the end, and just before you go, let me tell you about some things that I do that might be useful for you. Watch my TV series on Amazon Prime. I have a 3-part series on Amazon Prime called Kirly-sue's Global Kitchen, which features some delicious vegan recipes, and it's filmed on location in London and also in Jamaica. Get a copy of my kids' cookbook. I have a vegan cookbook for kids and parents which won the Wise Woman Award. It has easy to follow recipes you can make for your children. Now, vegan cooking for children is easier than you think. In my book, you will find simple and easy to follow recipes using ingredients that are easy to find and are probably already in your kitchen cupboard. I have a vegan cookbook on Amazon called Kirly-sue's Sweet Treats. Many people ask, what kind of desserts can vegans have? They seem not to be able to think beyond fruit salad. As lovely as fruit salad is, there are many more options, and vegan desserts can be real culinary delights. In my book, I've put together a selection of recipes for sweet treats that are easy, tasty, and fun to make, including cookies, cakes, and smoothies, as well as desserts that range from fresh and healthy to deliciously decadent. Brand deals and collaborations. I've worked with many brands over the years, and I'm always happy to consider more. I love doing collaborations with different brands and helping them to promote their product, and anything that is suitable for vegans or is a sustainable product, please reach out to me. My email is in the description box below. Bookings for film and TV. I have been working in television since I was 7 years old, and I love doing television. I have appeared on film and TV many times. I am a member of the British Actors Equity Association, and I'm also on Spotlight. If you'd like to see the link to my Spotlight so you get details of my agent, if you want to book me for film or television, click the link in the description below. I do cooking courses, one-off classes, and also a number of classes across a number of weeks, and I do that for many different groups: corporate, schools, colleges, different kinds of groups, religious groups, any kind of group of people who want to learn to cook vegan food. I'm more than happy to do a course for you or a one-off class. If you're interested in booking me, please see the email in the description box below. I'll be more than happy to discuss with you. I have a number of different books on Amazon. I have a range of different recipe journals, and I also have a meal planner on there as well. Links are in the description below. Go and have a look. And finally, follow me on social media. I'm on Facebook, X, formerly known as Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok, LinkedIn, you name it, I'm there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll see more videos just like this one. Eat good, eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.